aujourd'hui à Montréal en 2013.
Our previous record was 330 people. This year we have 430.
Reunification of families is a key priority for the Government of Canada.
And what I'd like to take some time today to do is to explain the Temporary Foreign Worker Program.
We not only want the bar to be successful now, we want it to be successful in 5 years and 10 years and 15 years. And this is just one way to ensure that that legacy is passed on.
The topic of this plenary is the making of immigration law.
This is our opportunity to come together, to see the faces of the individuals that have been helping us, that we've been providing advice to and mentorship to, and it really strengthens the bond.
I've been at every one of these national seminars, and I think they're indispensable. I don't know how you can effectively practice in this area without coming to them. And it's not just what you learn in the seminar room, it's the interaction with the people in the corridors. On the breaks, at lunch, because you learn from your colleagues, you learn from Department of Justice people, you learn from the judges.
For us, it's a chance to hear a little bit about what's going on in the real world, outside of the court context, so you get a better feel for the various interests, the various problems that the participants have.
And I think what I'll do is give you a high-level sense of what the government's objectives are and its vision for the immigration system.
Immigration is taking over passport issuance, and I'm hoping there will not be similar delays in issuing passports to Canadians.
You're invited to take the headsets if you need French or English translation.
Alors, bonjour amis et collègues. Je tiens tout d'abord à remercier l'association.
Yesterday I moderated a panel session called Family Reunification, the New Reality.
I've heard a rumor that Minister Kenney is currently making an announcement related to family class immigration as we speak.
Carolyn and I are going to talk in turns a little bit on the policy and operational situation with the family class. As Andrea noted, we have a rather interesting announcement going on as we speak.
We were at the right spot at the right time. As the minister was speaking in Ottawa, the CBA was training.
Our minister never stops. He keeps us on our toes all the time, which is why we're here for 30 years. And he's reintroduced one of the more significant programs for immigration regarding parents and grandparents.
Immigration is always a moving target, as we say, and it's always fascinating to hear from counsel in another setting than a courtroom, obviously, where you can discuss more systemic issues.
It's a wonderful opportunity to interact with many of our service providers that give us essential tools to practice every day.
A lot of what we do requires personal relationships, whether it's with other lawyers or with government officials or with the frontline officers that we're dealing with. And this bar, I think, has traditionally been known for being very collaborative.
Let's go and celebrate and have a good time.
We are a community of interests, and we don't always agree, but we respect one another, and we enjoy each other's company.
It is the synergy of CBA lawyers and the attendees from the IRB and other government departments, as well as the judiciary, that make our conference a success.
I've been participating in the different conferences now for a little over 15 years, and the communication has been absolutely fantastic. It allows us to meet with the different decision makers and express our point of view and how our clients at the end of the day see how their rules and regulations have an effect on them.
We go back many years, almost 30 years when we started this, and this, quite frankly, is the largest conference we've ever had in 30 years, and I'm very proud of the association and what it's accomplished.